It is well known that big, influential, and some famous investors are already considering Cardano. With this, find the truth in this video about Raoul Pal just going all in on Cardano. Stay tuned to know Raoul Pal's reasons for buying Cardano, so you don't miss a thing. Considering smart contracts, Cardano has garnered the attention of cryptocurrency enthusiasts for quite some time now. While ADA's price has plunged below the dollar to mark as a result of the current bear market, there are experts such as Raoul Pal who anticipate that this will remain a temporary decline. In the meantime, as the end of the second week of January, ADA is trading at $1.12 and is down 3.8%. Further, the crypto market's volatility may also indicate that a bull run is about to begin, and it appears that Raoul Pal has uncovered something unique about Cardano that will attract crypto enthusiasts and investors alike. That is why in this video I will share with you why Raoul Pal claims Cardano's price will rise 100-fold because of this. Although crypto coin prices are currently down, ADA remains one of the hottest coins. Considering the stellar year the coin had last year, we may expect a similar surge to happen this year. So keep watching until the very end to discover more about what Pal has revealed about Cardano ADA. Founder of Real Vision, Raoul Pal is an entrepreneur and investment strategist. He was a Goldman Sachs executive before co-founding Real Vision in 2014. He is one of the first investors to predict the coming global economic crisis. He forecast the onset of the new COVID-19 pandemic. And while the pandemic swept the world, Pal repositioned his portfolio and slowly increased his cryptocurrency allocation from 25 to 50%. As a consequence, his opinions are highly sought after today, both by fellow investors and crypto enthusiasts alike. In the period from the beginning of 2021 to now, ADA's market value has increased by 3,000%. Moreover, transactions valued at more than $100,000 were conducted in January, which raised the token's value by 424%. In addition to the number of transactions within the Cardano network, ADA's market value may rise or fall with the volume of transactions. In light of this, it's no surprise Raoul Pal is optimistic for Cardano, and that its yearly performance has been good thus far. Meanwhile, with Cardano ADA's impressive bull run now on hold, the bull run may be temporary. Nonetheless, Raoul Pal thinks the coin could make a big impact in the cryptocurrency market, and this is largely due to the announcement that a stablecoin backed by gold will be launched on the Cardano platform. Moreover, DeFi platform Meld and Tingo will work together to create a stablecoin. Seeing the name of Tingo associated with the Cardano stablecoin is intriguing. And why is this so? This is because among the largest mobile and network providers in Africa, Tingo is one of the most well-known. Increasingly, mobile providers are playing a significant role in Cardano's future. Now, why is this news significant? Could there be a way to verify digital identity through Cardano and mobile providers? And there are many practical applications for this, including protecting underage kids from accessing harmful websites. As a result, ADA could experience a price increase, making it an attractive investment opportunity. Furthermore, Raoul Pal shares his excitement about ADA's future, revealing that it is expected that Cardano will skyrocket into the moon since the ADA has been staked on 1 million wallets. And this is an important milestone for smart contracts. A surge in stake wallets appears to be in sync with the bearishness descended on ADA recently. As investors wait for the bulls to return, an increase in staking wallets may indicate that investors are holding on to their assets and hoping for returns. At the moment, 998,300 wallets are staking their Cardano tokens according to pooltool.io. This follows the announcement that the Cardano Foundation has reached the threshold of 2 million ADA wallets. According to a recent report by finbold.com, a website that provides an in-depth analysis of financial markets, ADA added 333,726 wallets to its existing 608,391 wallets. Moreover, the price of Cardano has exceeded 600,000 since June. Also, as we all know, last August, the token's market cap reached an all-time high of $90 billion, but it is now valued at less than half that amount. Moreover, there is another reason why Pal has said that Cardano will be able to go 100 times. In an article published on Medium, Raoul Pal agreed with crypto analyst Lucas Moore, who predicted that it is too early to expect extremely positive results if Cardano launches its smart contracts in September. Additionally, Moore mentioned SundaySwap as one of the first first DEX platforms on Cardano, which is proving to be very popular. His point is that these applications aren't user-friendly enough to allow people to interact with them. Despite the hatred towards Cardano that is a ghost chain and that it is one of those things, Cardano will prove everyone wrong and rebound. Ghost chains are blockchain platforms worth billions of dollars but with limited utility. With this, by launching on Cardano, DeFi becomes official. Then, to determine how the DEX performs under high output, it will first venture through the testnet, and the community has been advised to expect bugs in the DEX, but it also keeps in mind that this is still an early stage. It will certainly take a while for DeFi to become completely operational on Cardano, and a few glitches will undoubtedly need to be worked out. Furthermore, because the developer anticipates high usage and transaction, the partnership will allow it to run smoothly. In addition to celebrating the launch of the Cardano testnet, IOHK called it a chance to learn a lot. The IOHK is anticipating a high level of interest and participation, which are ways for IOHK to stress the network to gather data on its parameter settings. Furthermore, Cardano adopted a different approach to the development of its smart contracts and DeFi capabilities. Also, IOHK intends to introduce these features gradually to protect the privacy of its customers as well as to improve the user experience for its competitors. Similarly, the fact that Raoul Pal said Cardano will go 100 times was also a factor. ADA may resume its bullish momentum after the deployment of the first DEX, and the cryptocurrency could see support at 1.25 and resistance at 1.4. And the price direction for ADA will be determined by these two levels soon. It is very likely that the new partnerships between the Cardano ecosystem and ADA will boost its utility. Integration with the Cardano node and wallet, as well as the capability to unpair hardware wallets, are also included. Furthermore, partnerships with developing countries are recently being established to increase financial inclusion. Through its partnership with Oasis Pro, the network enables governments to pool remittances to finance large infrastructure projects. As a result of Cardano's partnerships, ADA tokens are likely to be more useful than before, increasing the real-world applications of the altcoin. Additionally, Nervos Network, a blockchain network, has announced that a bridge to connect assets on the blockchain with Ethereum, Cardano, and other networks has gone live. With the Force Bridge, assets on Nervos can be exchanged across multiple blockchains for increased accessibility. Additionally, since it debuted, Cardano has attracted a dedicated following, earning its new partnerships between the Cardano ecosystem and ADA will likely recognition as one of the most promising cryptocurrencies. Then, up until recently, ADA had the highest number of staked coins on the network. Meanwhile, crypto investor Jesse Blount congratulated Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson on its latest milestone on Twitter on December 5th. As part of the tweet, Blount included a picture showing that the number of delegators on the Cardano network had exceeded 1 million. With this, taking advantage of smart contract capabilities on the blockchain has led to a spike in staking activity on the network, which has gotten Raoul Pal excited. Finally, developers can now release their apps on the network, and the projects launched on the blockchain enjoyed a tremendous amount of success in anticipation of the network going live. As a result, the number of users staking their ADA on the network dramatically increased. In addition to incorporating smart contract functionality, Cardano also aims to eliminate the usual transaction fees associated with cryptocurrencies. Moreover, by creating ADA tokens or assets, users can spend them in the native asset ecosystem, and they can also use them as gas fees. And by switching the consensus network from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake network, the Cardano network provides a more decentralized technology. This means that users will not experience any of the disadvantages and hassles associated with other cryptocurrencies. With around 1,000 stake pools, it is expected that the altcoin will be 100 times more decentralized than other blockchains. As it stands, current blockchain networks are often controlled by 10 or fewer stake pools, leading to the formation of monopolistic networks. As the stake pool grows too large, rewards for investors would diminish, and Cardano does not risk monopoly if it grows too large. Thus, decentralizing the entire network is made possible by this. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.